Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Eh?
Are you asking me or you're asking someone else? What kind of stupid question is that? Huh? How dare you ask me where I'm coming from? As if I'm your housemaid. I am a man and I have a right to go out anytime, any day, whenever I want it.
Obia, you are a man. How many times have I warned you not to step out of this house without my consent? How many times?
Elizabeth. Louisa or the Kemene. Before I will go out, I will come and take permission from the oracle of the house. I am leaving the house. Give me permission to go out.
Listen, I am the breadwinner of this house. I feed you. I clothe you. I take care of you. So you have to obey me. You must respect me. Are you mad? You like grace?
Fufu winner. Konkosa winner. Lottery winner. You are the breadwinner of the house. And you are announcing it. You are not even ashamed of yourself. Because if you are ashamed of yourself, you cannot open your mouth to say such nonsense. You are the breadwinner. You're supposed to feed me. You should be happy that somebody like me came for you. People still could tell you, you go to any shrine or any church, then begin to thank God that somebody like me, a young, vibrant, handsome, good-looking, hard-working young man, came for you.
Monica, sexy Monica. If you know how many men were rushing me before I finally ended up with a mistress like you. Can you imagine? Sexy, vibrant men with enough energies rushing me.
Why would they rush you? They have seen they will turn your clothes. Maybe they will turn your clothes into separate clothes. They will rush you. They are not rushing you because of you. They are rushing you because of what they want to gain from you. But look at me. You have drained me. Look at Temre. And you have now to talk.
You are just a disgrace. So now if they call men, you come out. Yes. When they say man, you will come out. You are just a disgrace. Shadrach, hey, you want my trouble. You want my trouble. I'll give it to you. Shadrach, I said anything I say, you must listen to me. You want my trouble, right? You want my trouble. You want it. Shadrach.
You know what is hungry you.
Are you ashamed? I will feed you. I will feed you with my food. Feed you in bed.
MC Rapado.
Shadrach. Shadrach. Okay. Shadrach. You go in there now, Go and bring bag. You are going to the market. You are going now.
I'm already.
Sorry for the man who a woman they marry you. You can't go marry problem, put you for your head yo. Every day now wahala, so fighting. Any you want them, I go give them to you. If not some marriage be, make nobody call my name. Oh. Say you they hear me, I no fall at all. Oh. Have you seen a man who will not get in handwork? He can't go marry something where go kill him for house. Make you cut your coat according to your size. This kind man, I never see you. This kind wala, I never see you. This kind trouble, I never see you. Which kind wala be this? I never see you. I never see you. I never see you. Shadrachi, you don't know how to walk, but you know how to chop. Which kind man will be this? This kind man, I never see you. I never see you. This kind man before. I never see you. I never see you. This kind lazy man, I never see you. Never see you. I never see you. This guy wahala, I never see you. Now who walk who go chop, I never see you. Make I tell you now, wetin happen for my area. This kind thing, no, I never see you. I say this guy wahala, I never see you. This kind problem, I never see you. Get it one man, when him no say the Rocky, say the Rocky, no get the hand walk, a lazy man, but it's a be how to talk, come jolly, talk on a voodoo. No forget to say now who walk who go chop.
I take it easy now. Why are you using your own manpower to? Shady? Shady baby you. This your bar head is very sexy. I need your bar head they turn me on. They always turn me on.
I'm still head I could use now.
The head be like the future is bright. The head is shine.
Both of us will have brighter future now.
From your head?
Yes. How you do my head? I'm the head of the house. That is why the head is like this. Anybody will be head of anything. So.
Monica. Why are you always treating your husband like a house boy? For Christ's sake, he's the man of the house. Accord him with that respect. If you want to cook alone. Don't disturb the man.
Yeah. Monica, what do I know? Innocent me. So, because I'm here alone with my sweet husband, it's your problem. What's your business? What is your business? What has my cooking with my husband got to do with you?
Asa.
Is it your problem? Hey,
go look for your own husband.
You know me, I'm not stingy with trouble. You know. Hey.
I wonder when it became a crime for a husband to assist the wife in the kitchen. The Bible said 1 + 1 in God's own arithmetic is 1. He made us 1 from day 1. Despite that 1 is bigger than 1, but 2 of us are 1. Oh, wouldn't we?
We can't.
So we are 1. So whenever you see us doing anything, this is how it's supposed to be in marriage. If she give me her undies, I wash it diligently.
Exactly.
No matter how big it is, I wash them with
yes.
Go and mind your business. So go and look for your own husband and leave people who don't marry alone. Live here.
Look at you. Non-living thing.
Monica, you called me a non-living thing.
Get out!
This can look like my Go and buy gel and gel up your head. Stupid thing. If they are jealous of our
exactly. Even this Italy sweet person. But baby, are you sure you're not the one telling people that I'm not cheating you?
How would I say a thing like that now? I'm not the one. I can't say such.
Can't you get let me ask you. Am I maltreating you?
Listen.
Am I maltreating you?
I don't know whether this one way you do me. I don't know whether now I'm a treatment too. I think I love you. You didn't move for all that to love. We had that to my treatment.
It's love. Don't worry, pound me. When you pound, I'll pound you inside. I will pound you today. I'll pound you. I will pound you. Even this Italy sweet person. Grand is person at the when we get inside now, grand you. You understand?
Shaggy, Shaggy. Oh.
Yes, you are still washing these clothes this morning.
Oh yes, you know the clothes are so dirty. More especially the back side of you. This place you normally sit down is so dirty. So it makes it very dirty. This very one. As I will left. Yeah, dirty. As I'm trying to wash it very well.
Okay.
You're going out?
Yes, so. Any problem?
There's no food in the house. I will eat after I must have finished doing all the house jobs. Yes.
Hey, the mama. Responsible man.
I know.
There's no way I'll leave the house without giving you food now. Mama, your wife. Oh, no, I can't do that. No, now. No, I love you so much. So I cannot just leave the house. Take. Easy to buy granite, gari, and a very cold water. The 15 naira. Just drink it, I won't be long outside. I won't take long.
How do you mean 15 naira? Make I drink gari. I go wash clothes. I go mop the room.
Oh yes.
I go sweep outside.
It's your duty.
I go also do everything you ask me to do. And then make sure a man or gari nkete. How can I walk like an elephant and I will eat like a goat?
Look at. You know how to make money. Do you know what it takes to make money? I gave you a 15. In short, I was even nice enough not to even request for change. You can keep the balance. Yes, now. Come on. So now, 15 naira. Oh, 15 naira. Do you know that because of just 15 naira, you might not travel? Because why? It is not even complete. So, 15 naira is a very big money. A very huge sum. Oh? Imarakpego. Mba. Get enough. Eat me. See my hand. Do it.
Have you seen a man who no getting handwork? He can't go marry something where go kill him for house. Make you cut your coat according to your size. This kind man.
I'm not washing it. Come back and meet all this of people here. You carry your clothes, take a do that. Come keep up and make I wash it. Think about that. I want to go to my mind. You wash it.
I never see you. I never see you. I never see you.
Help me! Madam T. More drinks. How are you guys?
Shadrach, my own, oh.
Anything where you want. In fact, let them give you 2 bottles of Golden.
Yes. It's not me that will drink Odepo. I know my brand. But I will take it on your bill.
Whatever it is, put the bill in my bill. My bill again another bill. I know you. I
love you so much. You know how to spend. Your wife, she don't love you. You love you very well.
Sandra, bring my drink, my brand.
Now, must you touch a woman? You do like woman. You do like woman. So do I know say my woman, leave him. You do like woman. Hey, Shady.
Shadrach! Did you see my husband, Shadrach? Misha.
I've not seen him today.
I guess he went out without dropping the key for me.
Did you check the windows?
Check, bro. Yeah. And I'm so tired.
And maybe you will have to sit down and wait for him.
Exactly.
Yeah. Let me go and fix him. Should I help you?
Come. You know. Wait, love.
Hey. He's ready. Sorry.
Mommy, did you ready? I was tired. You know I will always be. You are me, I am you. Because you don't walk. You don't do anything.
Don't worry. Where I got the money is not necessary. The only thing is that let it keep flowing. For I know Oluwa has shown the blessing. And as Oluwa will make it. You go make it.
So, Shedim. Darling, Shedim. I need to ask you something. Still, this thing you always wear here. Why? I didn't mind. It's only married men.
No. A lot of girls are disturbing me. More especially since I hit this one. The only way to scare them away is by wearing this ring so that you can remain for me and for me alone.
Daddy! I understand. Wear it. If you like, wear everywhere. I don't mind.
Even if I wear here, I will buy another ring. I will wear there. I will, if anybody enter the say rings. Go running.
Daddy, carry me. Carry me. Let people see that I am for you. Is it back here? Hey, listen, Nemo. Can you carry me right now? Ooh. Hey! Daddy!
Will you be my wife?
I am.
My wife.
Hey,
my wife.
Hey.
Will you be my wife?
Hey.
My wife is here. On this way. On that way. On this way. Hey. Ah! Hey, what got woman? They come back and I'm going us. Oh. Yeah. So go marry to say my wife.
Monica. 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 You're sleeping. Is Shedrack not yet back? This one you're sleeping like this.
Was I sleeping?
We are just relaxing.
Yes, you.
Who is the person this? Who is the person disturbing my sleep?
Shedrack. So you have been inside this house and I've been knocking.
Shedrack.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma. I was fast asleep. I didn't know you were back. You would have knocked now. You didn't knock.
Me that I used my whole weight to knock. I used the whole weight to knock.
Yeah.
What kind of sleep was that now?
I'm sorry, I was deep asleep. Don't mind me, Loma. She's just being jealous of us. Washi. Let's go inside, baby.
Come and carry your wife.
Huh?
Come and carry me now. Someone has been hustling this morning, walking up and down. I'm tired.
I should come and carry you.
Baby, come now.
Let me leave two of you. Oh yeah. Go and meet your husband.
Why are you not dropping everything now?
To be ready,
No, from.
Shedrack must call you.
What happened now?
Shedrack go call you. Angolika pass you. Shedrack must call you. Any get way pass you. Shedrack must.
Yeah, now let me.
You see one they carry?
No get 1 naira. No forget
Let me help you now.
Hey, listen to me. Hey! My egg! My egg! My egg! All of my help!
You see?
Help! Go for to you and let them come out. I'll come. My egg! Please help me.
Wamaka. It's like hustle. Hustle.
She can't decide herself that she must marry a man and keep for her house.
Baby, what you are doing is not good though. I will do everything in this house. I will sweep, I will wash, I will even follow you in the kitchen and cook. Then after cooking, you'll be eating alone without me. Is it what God asked us to do? He told us that 1 + 1 is 1. Now, both of us have joined hands into matrimony. We are now one. You are eating chicken, I should be eating chicken. You are sleeping, I should be sleeping. When it's time for work, then anybody who get to work can go and work while the other person rests, which is what I'm doing.
Listen, I'm the breadwinner of the family. So, I have the right to eat what I want to eat. They are working. If you want to eat chicken, go out there. Hustle like other men. So like, I eat chicken.
Other breadwinners that I know, they win the bread and give to their family. They don't win the bread and eat it alone. Your own, you win, you eat alone, you fart alone, you sleep alone, you snore alone. So many things. Now you remember you have your husband. Now it's time for us to eat together. You are eating alone.
Yeah.
You'll be winning bread and you are eating. Others are winning souls for Christ. It's only the bread we go benefit you. If you don't win that, afford the game. Hey.
I'll pity you. When I finish eating, you come and suck it here. That's just the best I can do. That's the most nutritious meal ever. You will suck the chicken from here. Huh? Don't worry, you suck later. The nutrients are gathering. Till I'm done, come and suck. Suck from there. Suck chicken. Very, very, very proteinous.
Not fair. Not fair.
You suck later.
What you are doing to me is not fair. If I do it to you, no go like Hamo.
To my one.
But she was me, no go like Hamo.
You never listen. Before you get there, you know.
Nothing inside the pot. Is it chicken?
It's watching. Go and make money. It's water. Elisa. I beg, help me watch over my shop. I want to go peace.
Okay, they're going to come out.
I tell you, say that this is travel. The travel now they go. Go peace, tell me say go come back. I thank her peace. I don't waste time.
If you see Monica for road, my brother, you go think say na cow they come away. If I'm full, I call you malu. As you go because of her size, no man who they come close. As you go, we go na see how far. She can't decide by herself that she must marry a man and keep for her house. Okwama Kijego, Yaka, my friend, did you recover? But I believe a Kalilia, a lazy man. He don't want to work, but he always want to chop. Which kind man I never see you. I don't talk am before. I go talk again.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you selling me?
Okay. This one. Nah. This one. 1,000 naira. Then this one. I think give you this one 900. So which one you want buy?
Ma pay this one 400.
You say?
This one 500.
Ma sell this here for you for 400. Sell this for 500. If I sell this here for you 400, you don't go down for your cost.
Madam, wait.
You go scratch you from out.
Now price the price now. I don't reach quarter.
Things don't cost. I mean, you don't
know. Stop. When I sell market, they make trouble.
I don't
understand.
Price
the price.
If you don't get money, you go out. You don't reach quarter, madam.
I don't get money.
Yes, you don't get money.
Okay.
I make you don't want buy. What's it?
How much they here? See plenty money. Who tell you say I don't get money?
When I go the same market now, they make so trouble. They quarrel. Waiting, I saw you tell the same market. I better go and not buy again.
I better go sit down.
I better you go.
See, my cousin, show where you here. We are shiny. Yeah? You play Tata, come back shop, say you get money. Get out, you don't get money.
See, come on there. See, I feel like 20 people. See, person. See, you get money.
Even this year, say top pass.
I better go suck fatness. Come off for your body. You too big.
Come on, go sit down.
See, mad. Akpai bobo.
See, person.
Ekpi guy.
Come on, go sit down.
Ekpi guy.
Go sit down.
Akpai bobo.
This year, top pass you.
See,
you
am top pass me.
Oh, good.
I better pass you.
Leave am.
I better pass you 20 times, 100 times. See, person, apagari.
I'll figure suck fat, come on. Go by height. I'll figure suck fat now. If I go there, they suck fat. They suck the fat, come on. But you go by height. My yam top pass you. The person. Short like story.
20 people.
Short like story.
20 people.
I'll go now, I'm going to reduce fat. You go by height. See, person. Where my cousin shoe with attachment because the price is 400. You see you, You see you. Door of heaven go close for your head. Don't get conscious. You short like story.
I still better pass you now. I still better pass you.
You wait here.
Mama, to buy oil.
Oil. How much?
100 naira.
So now only 100 naira till you come buy. Oil. Don't finish. Don't finish. No, that's what you want buy.
Okay, give me Gary.
200. They call it touch fish. How can fish drink Gary? Funny nag. Your face. Wait. Your face scatter. Too much of granite. Don't drink Gary. They carry you go out and go to find fried rice.
I like this fish.
You have money for fish?
Yeah, give me fish, 15 naira.
For this shop, I go do a naked person. This one shocked me. Very surprising. I'm very sure I kept a liter of oil in this shop. Now, would have stolen it. Yes, I'm very sure. And it's nowhere to be found. Hey, who could have stolen it now? Did you see anyone? Did anybody enter my shop to collect oil?
Oil from your shop.
Did you see anybody enter here?
I did not see anybody. I've been in the shop since morning working.
So you didn't see anybody that stole oil?
See now, I don't know. Have you not been in the shop since morning?
What do you want, Monica?
I don't know, I've been in my shop working. I did not see anybody that came here to take me oil.
How will you see them? You don't know as my neighbor. You're supposed to watch over my shop. I watch over yours.
Am I your shopkeeper?
Hey!
Please leave me this morning.
Get
you have
out
been
with
even
your
with your customer self.
Get
I
out!
don't have your time. Please look for your oil. I don't know where it came from.
How will you see my shop? How will you even monitor my shop? When every time guara. You never saw good clothes. You saw better clothes. Better. Every time guara. You don't know you have been watching about the shop. I know what you do. So also better clothes. How can you be here, man? Guara. Hey, just that. Obia. Guara.
Sandra, bring the drink for the man now.
Open it. Just let her. Come. Keep the opener here.
This is Mama. Mama tea.
Mama
tea. How much for this?
It's what we don't drink, that's not high. Mama.
Yes, I have a
Mama, how much for your coffee?
My coffee is 1,000 for 1 plate.
1,000 naira.
Yes.
Bring 4 plates. Our friend Shedrack is equal to the task. Yeah.
Madam T, whatsoever they request, give it to them. Oh, Mwasi, Akwami,
Plus my own, 1 plate for me.
add your own, then the bill over to me. And I'm working anytime I come here to buy something. Where they
Shady.
Tiga him.
Yeah, they get this money from Shady. You get money.
Sandra, ma, 1 plate of coffee. Yes, ma. Plus my own 5.
Your wife,
No much pepper because I have also.
Your wife brother they work for bank.
Okay, now the money from come.
Yeah, now he's a big boy.
Shady, you get money. Hey, get money.
Mama, before I forget to. We are family in my committee of friends. You know follow for our committee.
No. When I bring the Kobe now come now, fast. Yeah. Shady. Shady.
Ofu onye na-anụ ụda egbe gị gbatuwai ma anụkwa ya tawa. Ofu onye na-anụ gịnị ụda egbe awumengenge. I have money. Whatsoever you want to eat in my name. Gị chọrọ ịṅụ mmanya ṅụọ ya n'isi m. Gị chọrọ ịta nkwụ taa ya n'isi m. Maka na awụ eriwe agwụ eriwe agwụ abụ m eriwe agwụ ego nwanne anyị Shedrack eriwe agwụ ya eriwe agwụ gụwa ya ego nwanne anyị Shedrack eriwe agwụ. Oh, why you why in now is it? Why in now is it?
Shedrack!
Hey, whoa! Why in now is it?
Who is even giving you alcohol, Shady?
Why you la? Don't worry. You worry too much. Don't forget about who is giving me alcohol. I searched for you. I didn't see you. So I said, let me go and take just 1 ball. From 1 ball, I was pushed to 2nd ball. From 2nd ball, look at your mouth. 10 ball.
Look at one ball, 10 ball. Those your stupid friends, they will not tell you to stop. They know you don't have head for alcohol. They will allow you to drink and spend money. What is the meaning of this nonsense?
I will be free. I am drinking for you. Now that I've seen you, my heart is happy.
Let me just take you back to your house. I'm going to pick up something. Somewhere. Let me take you to your house.
Don't bother. I can always go home. Money is shimko. You think I am drunk? I am not drunk.
Are you sure?
It's just that I am tipsy.
Are you sure?
Tipsy. Yes, you got it right. Let me just go home. Don't worry.
Shady.
Where are you going?
My own Shady. My Shady. Forever Shady. My own. I want to take you to your house. But if you don't want to follow it to your... Okay. Let me follow you to your junction. Then I can go to your house.
Oh. Follow you me with poison for me. Where are you going to?
To your junction first.
No, tell me where you are going.
Shady, I love you for the rest of my life. I love you. Will you marry me? Let me take you to the junction. Let's go.
Oh,
Shedin, don't
I love walking alone. Go where you are going to. I'm not a baby. You take me now.
I love you for the rest of my life, boy. I need you. Will you marry me? Marry me, marry me, marry me. Shedin, you know I love you. That's why you're doing this to me. Don't you talk of what you do.
I love that. Will you marry me? Marry me, marry me.
I'm waiting for my mother. She has got me waiting since. I can't find my bath. She won't have waiting. You have to stay here until your mother comes. Because you have only got that. Only then, I want to decide. You and I will fight each other and me and yes. What do you mean by you had a fight with Lady and Chijoba because of me? Calm down, let me explain to you. They were talking about you and Mr. Shedrack. How you were dating Mr. Shedrack, that you don't have sense, you are this, you are that, you are that. It was too much, I had to do something. And what did they say to them? Don't mind them. Those girls, they are jealous of you. And when I decided to side you, you see the way they bounced on me. Not me now. I gave them the their life. My darling, forget those two. I've always known that those two, they say they don't like me. They are jealous of me. How far with your lazy boyfriend? You have started again. I don't like the why are you insulting like us like this? Like, he does not have money, it doesn't mean we don't have money tomorrow. Please, he is lazy. I said he's not lazy. When you have money tomorrow now, continue. He is lazy. Accept it.
I don't beg you now.
Shadrack,
so where's my money? I'm sorry now.
Where's my money?
I'm sorry now.
Okay, give me the oil. Today you must give me the money.
I said I'm sorry.
Give me the money.
I said I'm sorry.
Give me the money. Give me the money.
Person don't feel beg you for something.
Shadrack, give me my money. Give me my money now. Give me. Shadrack.
I didn't steal your money. I told you it was took, I took it.
You took?
I took my wife's money. The same way you used to took my thing. It's also the same way I took your own money. You
took my thing.
You took me, I took you. We took ourselves.
You took my thing. So now God did not did God not say that shall not steal? God said that shall not steal. You stole. This is me too. Shadrack. Shadrack. You will not miss this flogging. Shadrack.
Good morning. Honey, I'm fine, thank you. You want to come inside? I want to make your nails. No. Please, I want you to show me the way to Rena's house. I have something very important to say her. Rena? But she does not know you. How come you have something important to tell her when she doesn't know you? That's true. It's possible she doesn't know, but I know her. The most important thing is that I have a message to pass to her. It's important. Alright, no problem. But by now, she won't be at home. She must have left the house. She'll be in her auntie's shop by now. I don't know the way.